YouTube kittens! Meow meow! It's Cathy Cat! Oh oh no! My eyes! Oh, I should stop throwing these things around. Now Zenplus helped me get this lovely dress. Just look at it, it's all like wrapped and it actually says hold it up like this and has like a little cute writing up here, and I'm just so excited to open this with you guys. And we shall open this together. No more injuries in this one. Now Zenplus is a shopping service that helps you get items from abroad. So it's not just for Lolita fashion, it can be for anything from goods and toys, goodies, anime goods, anime love pillows, if you so fancy that stuff, Sailor Moon goods, whatever. That is on Zenmarket, and the difference is that Zenplus is partnering with brands, so you don't have to pay a service fee. So here we go, Merrybelle, this is the box. Unfortunately, it's got a little bit damaged, probably due to my company, so it's not their fault. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to notify you that this dress is called Falling Alice dress, and the color is blue-gray. Now, Merrybelle is 100% a Japanese brand. Zenplus is a Japanese company, and so the quality of the stuff is very high. So Otome fashion is really great for those who don't want to completely Lolita it up. It's like another sub-style of Japanese fashion. So some people that wouldn't go all the way to Lolita fashion but still would like to wear cute stuff usually like to wear Otome a lot more. And I've seen quite a lot of Lolita who kind of grow out of Lolita. If you can grow out of Lolita, who then work towards Otome, or they wear Otome at work. I love you girls, I love you. Falling Alice, we'd like to know more. Slap. This is so satisfying. Slap. Wow, it's wonderful! You smell so wonderful right now too. I love how classic Alice is. Just look at the really classy lace, and that is quality lace. That is super quality lace. Some of the most recent Lolita dress releases should like take an example of that lace. And you have here like a see-through sheer material. I like that one, and then all the cute buttons going all the way down here. And the Merrybelle logo, which is like two bunnies. You see the bunnies? Like, this is actually one of the more pop colors that I could find there, if you can call it pop, because everything is so classy on this one. I love long sleeve dresses. Oh, and there's the same material here, and again it has little dots going all the way here, and then you go all the way up. Now it's called Falling Alice. Where is Alice? Da-da-da. So we have the bunny, and there is Alice falling on the dress with the flower pattern. Isn't she lovely? Isn't this wonderful? This is one of the coolest scenes in Alice in Wonderland, when she's falling down from the sky. So here we go, and the end of the dress, it just ends simple. Not too many ruffles and not too much frill. It keeps it simple and clean in a way that you can wear this for more occasions than you could wear Lolita fashion. Especially if you live in countries where it's hard to wear Lolita fashion because standing out is a bit of an issue. It's nice to actually switch it up with Otome, dress down a little bit but still keep the cute in your heart. On the back of it here, you can see there's a way to actually tighten this, because it opens quite up as a dress itself. You can just imagine you're sitting somewhere in a beautiful scenario and just sipping on cups of tea and looking out of the window and going like, nah. The front unbuttons, I always look for things like that. How do we actually get into this? The front unbuttons in a way like this. So you unbutton the front to help you into your lovely Merrybelle dress. There doesn't have to be petticoats with Otome! No petticoats, also no really strict rules with Otome. You can just class it up, be a classy lady. And it's really easy to wear. Now I'm really curious about this one, and I don't think I can wait much longer. I want to wear this! On that note, transformation time! Da-da-da-dun, da-da-da-dun. Dun, 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 da-da-da-da. It's so different from Lolita fashion, but I love it. It's so classical. I love how classical. I feel classy now. So classy. The sleeves, I'm not an arm giant. It just comes up there right. I'm so glad. They actually had this in different colors too, but I really wanted to have this color pattern. The white one was really nice and innocent, and the black one was kind of like, ooh, black. But now I wanted to have this one. Look at this. This is how it sits. This is the back bow. It's very cute. I was tempted to also put it on the front to like make it like emphasize the the puppies a little bit, but then I thought, nah, I think on the back is a bit more classy. So it goes with the whole theme of the dress, and oh, I feel so elegant. Oh, let's have a tea party. Oh, that's the Merrybelle dress. Wow, and it sits really well. I like that it fits different sizes. If I think my arms fit into this as well. I have kind of muscular arms, so I'm glad that they fit in here in this dress. There is no shearing and there is no stretch. One of the things you might want to consider when you get in a Merrybelle dress is that, but it's really, really wide. So if I open up this bow and the back, let me open this up for a moment. It fits a lot. There's space, which I like. So yeah, thank you so much, Merrybelle, and thank you so much, Zenplus. So on that note, so this is the lovely lacy princess day. And just look at this lace. This is how it goes around all the way around the back. Oh, I think the nice thing is that I can actually wear this for other occasions as well. So I mean, like in my office they used to be wearing Lolita fashion, but there are a couple of people that I can't really meet in Lolita fashion, but I still feel like I want to wear cute things. So this is actually quite good. This is probably what I'm going to be wearing when I'm actually going to meet those. So my teacher actually from the UK, one of my main important teachers, is actually right now in Japan, and I'm going to go out and meet them. So 2 teachers, I'm going to meet them for dinner. This is perfect. I feel dressed for the occasion right now. So check this out. Not too much, not too little, just how I like it. And while I got you all here, we have to talk about this photo book. So my company released this photo book, but they didn't want to do the whole thing where they send it abroad. So what they did is they gave me a link from Buyee and said, use the link from Buyee. This is how people from abroad can pay for it. And I was like, right, what is Buyee? So, and then a couple of you guys, thank you so much, ordered it from Buyee, but they were like surprised because Buyee charges a lot. So Buyee is like a seller in between, and they charge a lot. Like, I looked this up. So I really regret that. Like, I wish I'd known all the things that I know now. I wish I'd known that before. So they charge about 700 yen per item, and then if you have several items you get from them, for putting them together, they charge you 1,000 yen on top of that. So when Zenmarket actually contacted me about the review of this Merrybelle dress, I was like, okay, what are you? Are you actually any different? Are you actually any better? So for example, Zenmarket will charge 300 yen for their services, plus the shipping, and then plus the other items and stuff. Zenplus, the plus in Zenplus means there's something extra. It means that the companies have already partnered with them, which means you don't have to pay the service charge. You only pay for the item and for the shipping. Here is Pikachu Magikarp. Pikachu Magikarp is in Japan. That's your seller service. And here is the person who, that's you. You want to have an item. So say for example, you want this Sailor Moon brooch. What you do is you ask them to get it. So they first will get it in their warehouse, and then from their warehouse they will send it out to you, and then you can have it. So this is about how it works with all those seller services. So Buyee and Zenmarket and stuff do the same thing. The only difference is that you get, if with Buyee and Zenmarket, the only difference with Zenplus is that they have already linked up, so they're doing a business together. So you don't have to pay for the 300 yen for their service. They're already cheaper than Buyee anyways. And they will then, once the item got shipped to them, they will ship it to you and stuff like that. You will still get charged twice. Once for the item and once for actually sending it to you. So that's with all the services the same, but you don't have to pay the service charge, and you have 3% cash back on all the items that you might be wanting to order from abroad. I hope I explained this right now. It's a bit easier to understand because some people don't quite know how to explain that. So that's how it's been explained to me. That's how I'm explaining it to you. Also, if you, for example, bought the Cathy Cat photo book and you also bought like a Sailor Moon brooch from something, if it goes to the warehouse of Zenmarket, they can compile this into one big bag and send it in one shipping out to you, and that's for free of charge. Well, Buyee, they charge you more for that, 1,000 yen. And that's how you can get your hands on Otome fashion or other cute items that are on their Zenplus market. So if you're curious about finding items from Japan or maybe brands that are less known, this is your chance to maybe go and check it out. If you, for example, want an item from Yahoo, that would be Zenmarket. If you want items from Merrybelle, that'd be Zenplus. Also, what I loved is their customer service completely in English. I was talking with a girl actually on the phone to just make sure that I get all those details right, because I wasn't quite sure how to explain all of this to you guys. So I wanted to know what I'm actually explaining before I actually explain it to you guys. So now I understand this whole thing. Which brings me back to this photo book. I really, really regret that we went through Buyee because they charged so much and we didn't really know what we were getting ourselves into. too. Definitely if we're gonna do and release some more merchandise again, we will not do that through Buyee. Hey, maybe Zenplus will help us out with that. If you're curious about getting this book, right now you can't get it anymore. It was only limited for the month of my birthday. My company always wanted to do that as a test to see how it goes, so it only went through March. But we might do something in the future, so stay tuned. It might pop up. Also comparing Otome and Lolita, what are your favorites? Are you more of a Lolita fashion supporter? Are you more of an Otome fashion supporter? How does this actually look, guys? Like, can I pull this off? Let me know, because I'm gonna see my sensei in a moment. I hope it's not too overdressed. As always, life should be sweet, so let's be sweet to each other and do what you love and love what you do. Thank you. And thank you, Merrybelle and Zenplus.